reaching every day. That's how I know that things are gonna change. So how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, with every minute, another soul is going? I believe that in my life I will see an end to hopelessness of giving up, of suffering, and we all stand together this one time. Then no one will get behind. Stand up for life. Stand up for life. It all sounds right here, and it starts right now. One for the sense out there, and the rest to follow. For all I've forgotten, for all been in love, I'm gonna sing this song, and I believe that in my life I will see and into hopelessness of giving up, of sight.